In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile a credit card account in your accounting software. Reconciling ensures your books match what the card issuer reports, helps catch duplicates or missing charges, and keeps your financial reports accurate. First, open your software and go to Accounting, then choose Reconcile. This takes you to the reconciliation screen, where you'll compare your recorded transactions to your monthly credit card statement. Next, select the specific credit card account you want to reconcile. If you manage multiple cards, double-check the card name and the last 4 digits so you're working in the right place. Now, enter the statement ending date. Use the date printed on the latest statement, not today's date. This date establishes the cutoff for what should and shouldn't be included, so picking the exact statement date prevents extra transactions from sneaking into this cycle. Enter the ending balance exactly as it appears on the statement, including cents. Small typos here can throw off the entire process, so it's worth pausing to confirm the number matches the statement total. Click Start Reconciling to begin. You'll now see a list of transactions from your books. The goal is to match what's on your statement by checking off each charge, payment, and credit that appears on both. Work methodically. Sort by amount or date to make matching easier, and start with unique amounts you can identify quickly. Compare dates, merchants, and amounts carefully, and keep in mind that some charges may post 1 or 2 days after you use the card. If your statement shows something you don't see in the list, it may belong to a different period or still be pending with the bank. Likewise, if you see a transaction in your books that isn't on the statement, it likely belongs to the next statement cycle. Continue matching until the difference field shows 0.00. That difference reflects how far your cleared items are from the statement's ending balance. So reaching 0 means everything lines up. When the difference is 0 and you're satisfied with your matches, click Finish Now. This completes the reconciliation for that card and locks in the results for the period, giving you confidence that your records mirror the statement. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.